Hi there, today I want to take a look at my Makita Hr4013C SDS Max rotary hammer drill. So it comes in the big carrier case, and there we go, there's the drill itself. It comes in about 7 kilos, so it is a bit of a weighty machine, and it is corded, so that's probably its two limitations. Capable of doing 40mm holes in concrete. It runs about 92 decibels, so you will need your ear protection on when you use it. Its impact energy of about 8 joules, but best of all is the AVT technology on it. It's got a vibration rating of drilling into concrete of 5 meters per second squared, which basically means on the health and safety limits you can go to 2 hours to the safe lower threshold, or a maximum of 8 hours up to the higher maximum threshold. I don't know about you, but there's no way you could get 8 hours drilling in a day. It's, you know, you're going to pause here and there. So this truly is a drill you can use all day relatively safely. And the surprising thing is, with this one coming in at 7 kilos, my sort of everyday drill, my little Bosch hammer there, that's got vibration rating of 12.5, which means I can get about 20 minutes if use out of it each day. Anyway, we're talking about the Makita today. Let's see it in action. Right, so let's start off with a couple of holes. Now, if you want to use your SDS plus drill bits in it, obviously you're going to need an adapter like that, which just then slots in. All right, let's pop a hole in this wall. Just to note, it's got variable speed on it, so if you wanted to do a bit of slow, more precision drilling. Right, there you go, there's 4 holes done. Just drilled 4 holes to give me a little bit of a corner of a box to cut out with the chisels. So, clear that one out. Now with the pointed chisel, I'm a fan of, well, any of the chisels, I'm a fan of the Bosch self-sharpening chisels. So they don't really need any maintenance, they just slowly grind themselves away. Don't forget to change your setting. So there you go, you see that made shot work of that wall. I mean, it's just a one brick wall thing. But you get the idea. Real powerful. Brilliant for the anti-vibration levels on it. It is certainly a 10 out of 10 drill. I would buy that every time. And in fact, one of my sites did get burgled once when we lost one. I just went out and bought another one straight away, and I wouldn't hesitate to buy it again. So it certainly gets my approval, that one. Well, I hope that was useful, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.